Hey, GoPro, my bro. Andrei.
Ek sê net dis 'n goeie keer. Ek het mos al jou.
Daarmee baie mense, so ons gaan nie te lank handtekening teken nie.
Twice, hè? Right now.
But it's a Friday, bro.
Ja, teken.
Huh?
Vrydag dan ek by 3 gaan uit.
Ek ook. Yo, my bro, hy was moeg geweest hoor.
Maar Tom sê vir my, weer braak kramp is al fucked up.
Ja, hy was moeg van die eerste minuut af. Kijk, as die eerste lyn staan hy al so. Sê ek nee, my bro. Ja. It had to be, yeah. Hello guys, yeah, got a good win today. It was quite tough in the beginning as well, but the boys stuck to the plan. We got a good win with a bonus point, exactly what we wanted. Thank you very much for all the support, really appreciate it. Cheers.